Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make your post shareable on Facebook. Let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your device. If you are creating a new post, start by writing your post. Before posting, look for the privacy settings button below your name. It usually shows as friends or public. Tap on it to open privacy options. Choose the public option to make your post shareable by anyone. Once you have selected public, go ahead and post it. Now anyone can share your post from Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.